Okay, let's move on to Apple in the US. Okay, Apple is very near very important support going back to last March. So again, that's also just over a year. Also, it's testing its 200-day moving average. So we've got an important support level here at line one. I said you have potential buy signal coming up after earnings. It's coming out with earnings after the bell tomorrow night. That's Thursday night, the 28th of April. After the bell, after 10 p.m., you're going to get Apple's earnings come out. We're going to get a big move either way. And I've said here, a clear reversal day or reversal candle from line one, or even just below it, will be a signal to buy Apple. We'll note that the stochastic is oversold with a bullish divergence, positive divergence, warning of a rally. And the fact that it's at the support level of line one and near its 200-day moving average does look like a buying setup, but again, anything can happen after earnings, and we've seen some of the large cap tech stocks not do well after the earnings of late. So just be very careful they don't preempt a rally. Wait till the earnings to come out. So let's just find the exact level of line one is $154.45. That's line one. Let's look and see what it does after earnings on Thursday night. You'll just note if I'll update this chart to where it's closing Wednesday night, closed closing well off its high of the day. You'll notice when I did this chart couple of hours back, it was up on the day, but sold off. The US market has sold off into the close, and Apple actually closed down and well off its high. So it's going to retest line one, 154.45. May well go below it. We still got the divergence there. So let's see how it handles those earnings on Thursday night. But potential for a rally. Of course, I have mentioned if it breaks down significantly, could be in for a really big drop here. This whole pattern here is forming a symmetrical triangle, which is also a potential inverse head and shoulders continuation to the downside, which could be very bearish if it breaks down. Very similar to the chart of the S&P as well and the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, by the way, has already undercut its March low, also closing well off its high of the day today, Wednesday. So that's going to trade down tomorrow, and how it closes tomorrow night will be very important as well. So this is Apple, potential for a buy after earnings. So we'll only really know on Friday how it's going to react to it, but potential for a rally. But as mentioned, if it breaks down, could be some significant downside there to come.